Hi, part 2 of how to measure model 2225 for the course HVAC 1022. So we do have our second floor rooms, very typical layout: master bedroom, ensuite, main bath, walk-in closet. We've got bedroom 2, bedroom 3, and bedroom 4. Now in this case, you can see that the stairs come up to a hallway in the second floor, and we do have a window here. And so since we've got a window in the hallway, we want to make the hallway its own space. And so therefore, I would simply refer to this as the second floor hall. So on your worksheet, there should be a room that says second floor hall. And now we'll divide up the rooms. So this is how I want you to split up the rooms. So the master bedroom and the ensuite, straightforward, they're simply rectangles. The main bath includes this walk-in closet. This is another example of where the walk-in closet is completely inside the second floor, so therefore it does not have any exposed walls, but it does have exposed ceiling, and we must include that area of ceiling in our calculation, and so I just felt it was more simple to include this area in with the main bath. Now bedroom 4, I've simply divided off into a somewhat of a square, taking this angled area from the hall, or actually from the master bedroom, and including it in with bedroom 4. You can see there's a small section here of the master bedroom, which is also now included in the second floor hallway. This is simply to create nice, manageable shapes. Your second floor hallway is a little bit of an odd shape, this L shape, so you will need to find two areas, add those areas together, and that will give you your total exposed ceiling area. Then I suggest you simply measure this distance here, and you call that your length, and in order to find the mathematical width, simply divide the area by this measured length, and you will get a mathematical width for the second floor hallway. Bedroom 2 and bedroom 3 are very straightforward rectangles, and so that makes that very simple. Now here you can see that I have cut out the first floor, only showing the room layout. Sometimes it's difficult to see different characteristics of the ground floor as it relates to the second floor, or vice versa. So typically what you could do is, you don't have to cut out the floor as I've done, but you could overlap the two pages. For instance, put the second floor over top of the first floor and hold the two pages up to a light. And if you then you could see through the two pages and determine whether or not there are certain areas which are either covered by the second floor or not covered by the second floor. Now, if you recall, in the earlier video I indicated that this foyer area is actually recessed, and so that is an important feature and something that you will have to account for. Now here I have the second floor, and I've done the same thing. I've cut out the second floor, and I will lay it over top of the ground floor. Now, as you can see, this area of ground floor where the foyer is actually recessed is in fact below the second floor. That means that this area of the second floor actually has exposed floor. And you will also notice that this wall that comes straight through here is ending up partially over the exposed floor. So that means that a portion of bedroom 3 has exposed floor and a small portion of bedroom 4 has exposed floor. So on your worksheet, there should be an area of exposed floor for bedroom 3 and an area of exposed floor for bedroom 4. Now, on the flip side, you will see that the living room is still visible. So the living room is all of this on the ground floor, but you can see that the second floor comes across and only covers a small part of the living room. So therefore, this part of the living room is actually exposed ceiling. So you will have to determine this area and include it in the living room as exposed ceiling. Now at the same time, the second floor does cover this portion of the living room, which means that because this is second floor here, the living room also has a header. And that header extends right around like this and runs across through here. So your living room will have both an area for header and an area for ceiling. Remember that header is only included when there is a floor above, and so here you've got the second floor above this portion of the living room. That's why this right in here, this is header, and then this area, which is not covered by the second floor, would be exposed ceiling. And because heat loss starts at the inside surface, you would want to ensure that your heat loss or the area for your ceiling actually starts also in line with the inside surface of the second floor, so that this entire distance here through here could be the length of the exposed ceiling, and this distance would be the width of the exposed ceiling.